I'm here at 1804759 Hoover, unit number 14. The back door was previously kicked in by the police. It needs to be replaced. The entire unit needs to be painted, some drywall repair. The floor looks like it may be salvaged. It just needs to be cleaned. Stove is working, fridge is working, cabinets are in, fixtures are up. This is the kitchen anyway. Okay. We changed the locks to the gold key. Tenant is bringing the key in now, dropping it off. It needs a toilet seat. Tub is fine. Needs to be caulked. Bedroom here. Just some trash out, light minor stuff here. The living room should be trashed out. Not too bad. So it needs blinds replaced throughout. Light trash out. Floors aren't too bad. Probably can stand a coat of polyurethane on them. That's all. This here is, once again, 18047-59 Hoover, unit number 14.